Welcome to the grand finale of our Brazil tour. Today, we stand before the thunderous power of Iguazu Falls, one of the most majestic sights on Earth. In this final chapter, we explore a landscape where the sheer force of nature creates a symphony of sound and light that will stay with you forever. Spanning the border between Brazil and Argentina, these 275 individual drops form the largest waterfall system in the world. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. At the heart of the park lies the Devil's Throat, a U-shaped chasm where the roar of the water is so powerful you can feel it in your very soul. Brazil is a land of endless wonder, from its vibrant cities to its wild heart. Thank you for joining us on this incredible three-part journey. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.